Lotus, 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 72. Lotus, 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 72. É a máquina do tempo e na velocidade não tem igual. E num grande torneio de caráter internacional de Fórmula 1. Lotus, 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 72. Lotus, 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 72. É a máquina do tempo e na velocidade não tem igual. E num grande torneio de caráter internacional de Fórmula 1. Lotus, 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 72.
Hey you all, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching another one of my videos. In this video, I had the pleasure of styling this wig that I was sent from YWigs. Thank you all for sending me this wig to try out. The style name of this wig is Bob 50. I have a 14-inch. It's 150% density. This unit did come with dark roots already, which was a plus. So it already had dark roots. The only thing I did to this unit to customize it to my liking was cut the 3 combs that were at the top of the wig. I did bleach the knots, I did pluck the hairline, and then I just added a box dye to the hair. It was from Revlon, and the color I used was medium ash blonde. You don't get much parting space on the sides of this unit, but in the middle portion of the wig, it does go back about 5 to 6 inches. But yes, y'all, I truly love this style. I got so many compliments on this unit. It was not even funny, okay? If any of you all are interested in this unit, I will of course have the information and the specs for this wig down below in the description box. But I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please be sure to write me down below in the comments to let me know if you would wear this unit, or your thoughts and opinions on this style, if you like it, if you don't like it. I definitely love hearing from you all. And again, thank you all so much for checking out another one of my videos. If this is your first time seeing me, hello. Also, if this is your first time seeing me, definitely hit that subscribe button. But I will talk to you guys in my next one.
Lotus, 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 72. Lotus, 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 72. É a máquina do tempo e na velocidade não tem igual. E num grande torneio de caráter internacional de Fórmula 1. Lotus, 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 72. Lotus, 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 72. É a máquina do tempo e na velocidade não tem igual. E num grande torneio de caráter internacional de Fórmula 1. Lotus, 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 72. Lotus, 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 72. É a máquina do tempo na velocidade não tem igual. E num grande torneio de caráter internacional de Fórmula 1. Lotus, 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 72. É a máquina do tempo e na velocidade não tem igual. E num grande torneio de caráter internacional de Fórmula 1. Lotus, 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 72.